Everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new Underbar blender station with sink. Okay, obviously we got this rack in the front where you can place a blender. You also have an opening here for your electric plug. Okay, so if you do decide to put that blender over here, you have the option of adding or placing the plug through the inside and down to the outlet. Okay, so that's for the blender station. We also have our sink, as we mentioned. This is an all stainless steel unit certified by the health department. Okay, the unit does have also white on the sides, which is just a protective peel off sticker that you can go ahead and take off once the unit is received. Okay, now measurements for this unit, you're looking at a length of 12 inches. Okay, your depth with that rack or with that station, you're looking at 29 inches. Without the station, you're looking at 21 inches. Overall height with the legs, you're looking at a total of 33 inches high. Okay, obviously we have our faucet here with our hot and cold water. Now measurements for the sink, left to right 9 inches, front to back 15 inches. Bottom to the top, you're looking at about 6 inches. Okay, so as we mentioned, this is going to be a blender station with sink, Underbar unit. Okay, if you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this unit. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call, and we can help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.